Huh.
So I brought it up in a desperate prayer. Lord, why are you keeping me here? Then he said to me, child.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so excited to do this vlog with you guys. Just a few unpredictable days in my life, and I hope you guys love and enjoy this video because I made it with so much love. And yeah, that's it. So I'm just going to be doing my hair for a few days, my maintenance, and a few other things. See you on. Bye.
2,000 years later.
The next day, and this is the hair inspo for my first day of showing you guys about my 4C coils and just falling in love with my hair in general. This is how the hair looks, and I'm so in love.
Golden brown, final to dress to the edge. She's heading west, from far away. Stays for a day, never a frown.
My hair could either give me confidence or take my confidence right away. Hair makes an outfit. Like, even if you're wearing the bummiest thing, as long as your hair is done, it elevates everything. You look sleek, you look showered, you look pretty, you look, easy. It's a freedom that you have with your hair. You could not wear makeup as long as your hair is popping.
My lovies, I had finished doing my maintenance in this video. My hair, my nails, and my lashes were done, and I looked and felt so amazing. Yeah.
Anyway, I think I met him sometime before in a different life or where I record. I mean, he was Adam, I think I was Eve, but my vision ends with the apple on a tree. That's so much chest cause I ain't ready to save him, ready to get buck on anybody that plays him. And I think I love him just like I raised him. When he called me mama, little mama, I call.
I am doing self-care. I'm doing a facial mask, reading my Bible, listening to holy music, and spending time with God. I don't know what time it is, but it's super early in the morning. And I feel so good. Just, the mask looks weird, but it's okay. So I'm currently reading the Bible, and journaling also. And yeah, I have to step outside because it feels amazing outside.
2,000 years later.
So I just finished reading the Bible. I'm drinking a smoothie, protein shake, whatever. And I feel so good. I always feel good. Like so many years. Bad girl. Devotion, I'll be with I hold my heart. I'll be yours. Wanna be yours. When you walk. Stop playing the girl, you know how still love me. Will you still love me when you bring my name? When it comes, tell me that you love me. If you can. Yes. That I will. Just did my hair and I'm gonna show you guys more. So you good, cutie. Guys, it is the 2nd of April and I am outside looking at the clouds. It looks so good, and this is just me being pretty and taking pictures and just having a great time.
Money pull up, action, we are turn it up. Shot around the place and guess who I bring it up. Pull up, hot, yeah we hot. Bad girl there, them a whiny pull it up. Money pull up, money pull up. Shot around the place and guess who I bring it up. Money pull up, money pull up. Bad girl there, them a whiny pull it up. Nobody can taste the real hustle. They be long time you pass up to your.
Hi guys, today me and my sister are making cinnamon rolls and we're gonna, yeah.
I've got my eye on you. Say yes to heaven. Say yes to me. Say yes to heaven. Say yes to me. If you go, I'll stay. You come back, I'll be right here, like a bird at sea.
Hi guys, I am currently getting ready for church and I wanted to share little words of truth with you guys because not only did Christ rise today, but he died for our sins so that we can be seen righteous in the sight of the Lord, and that is nothing but pure love. And I'm so grateful for this beautiful day and the acknowledgement that and keep you. May his face shine upon you guys, and I'm so blessed to be here. I love pink lips and blush as well. I just finished doing my makeup. Honestly, I just did the lip combo only, no makeup, just lip combo. And yeah, I don't know if I want to do gloss or no gloss. Let's do this one from Essence. It is brown because it makes the tones come down.
I feel like then you leave when I'm hollow. Some days I get so low. It has to be you, has to be you.
I feel good. That's why Christ died for me. I feel really good and pretty. I love when my hair is like this, you know, flowy, and I love this top so much. The outfit today is very, very classy and tame. I love it so much. It's very chic, very much me, very much my style. Love the lip combo. I just love me in general, guys. I feel very, very good. This is what I love. Just being God's princess, getting ready, treating myself to the finest things, loving myself and loving others as well, spoiling and just being the girl that I think I am. Yeah, this outfit is so tea, and I'm not even.
If you dance, I'll dance. And if you don't, I'll dance anyway. Give peace a chance. Let the fear you have fall away. I've got my eye on you. I've got my eye on you.
The face, I wouldn't show you the body because it's too tea, but anyway, yeah, we in a 30-inch bust down.
We in a Lambo. You gotta get back.
Just did my hair and I am so in love. Yeah, we in a 30-inch bust down. Like so many years.
Yeah, we still keep holding on. Try to call your phone.
Listening to holy music. On a random Thursday.